Hi, I'm Jay with Family Handyman, and today I want to show you how easy it is to install a pendant light. With just a few basic tools and about a half an hour, you can do it too. Let me show you how it's done. Before we start, remember, turn the breaker off to the room. First step is to install the bracket. The next step is to feed the wire through the pendant rod. So after I have the pendant rod installed, now I know how long to trim the wires. After trimming the wires to length, it's time to strip the insulation from the ends. I like to strip about 3/4 of an inch. Now that I have the wires stripped, it's time to assemble the light to hang it from the ceiling. Now it's time to attach the light to the ceiling. And the first thing I do is attach the ground wire. And I've got a simple trick to make that easier. You pre-loop the wire so it's ready to wrap around the screw head. Next, use wire nuts to connect the leads to the power line. And remember, the bare copper wire needs to be connected to the ground lead as well. Now it's time to tuck the wires into the box and attach the fixture to the ceiling with the supplied cap nuts. So there you have it. Hanging a pendant light is an easy project and can add a bit of style to any room. For more tips and great projects like this, visit FamilyHandyman.com.